how to transfer BONK from Metamask to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of BONK token from the Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets. And after that, tap on deposit and now click on deposit crypto. So after that, in the search bar, now you can type the token name. In this case, it will be BONK. After you find your token, now just click on it. So after that, what you need to do, just select this Solana as the network, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go and open your Metamask. Now after you open the Metamask app, now you need to go to your token and now click on it. And after that, what you need to do, just click on send. And now in the tool, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account, and now you can tap next and provide the amount that you want to transfer. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive the BONK token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer BONK from Metamask to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.